I wanted to sort of quick demo how to create a very simple Azure OpenAI web application in Python and then run it in a container instance. First of all, I need to create a Azure service here, and then just pick a resource group and give a name which is unique. And so I was wrong something, but I just delete the first one. I'm not sure is this still allow me to recreate immediately. First of all, I need to create the service and then make sure it's in just everything by default. It takes a few minutes maybe. Okay, have the validation error. See the details. Since I just delete my application for this demo, I need to rename it. Maybe just one. Okay. Oh, it's quick. And before that, I need the application demonstration. I just want the Python sample with code. I haven't really detailed it, but at least I want to fault it. I fault this repository, create fault, and just my demo here. Everything, I fault everything. And here is creating the quantitative service. It take a few minutes maybe, but normally it will some for me and from my experience is the time is sometimes trains depend on the loading I frames or something. Is this maybe quick, maybe take a hour maybe. Yeah, and I thought the repository here, and first of all I want to have my Visual Studio code here. I just do it, config my depth container, and I make sure I go to Python. I want the Python and Docker. Python. Since I need to run Docker, I need Python, and then Docker in Docker. Docker in Docker. Otherwise, I can't use I can't run Docker in my VS Code without these extensions. Just commit the changes to my font. Okay, here the deployment is created and go. And in parallel, I create my Visual Studio code here. Just create my new code space, and I want it run faster so that I train the options so that I can create a more powerful instance. Just nice, but it's not necessary. Okay, I go back to my Azure OpenAI here. I need to create my deployment for the model I want to use. And now it's not this console, it will be moved to the Azure OpenAI Studio. I need to deploy the model I want to use. For example, I need to check GPT maybe. Yes, just here. And then I want different version of ChatGPT. I just pick the 3.5 Turbo. And no quota available for this deployment. You can request quota. I'm not sure, but I should have quota since I just only single one deployment here. Maybe the old one I didn't delete the old version yet, so that the problem is it's still under the cleanup. It is something that happened to me as I just delete the old project and then my quota haven't released, and so I can't create the free one. I created 4, should it be 4? It's quick. It's much quicker than previously. And now the display is changes. There's this range limit here and in the model version. And just one more try, and I can, if I want to have other model, not just track model. I think maybe for example I want to test defense. Yeah, I just here and then in the deployment model. I prefer to keep the name of the deployment, but you know that some of the model will have advanced option. For example, you need to have the version here or content filter enable or disable. Yeah, and range limit, you can reduce the range limit to limit your courses. This is something more advanced than Google at this moment. Okay, yes, I got this one. I go to track. I need the source code next. I need to try it and then copy the source code. And now it's still building the container since it's take time to build the Python container in Visual Studio Code here. But before that, I can try just use the default one. It's okay, use the default one. Continue is the default one. And I say hi to it. Say hi to the chat GPT. Okay, do not exist. Just try refresh it. Not sure what's happened. Maybe some cache here. I Okay, yeah. This is something very common in you using Azure. You know the user interface and the actual service is out of sync in general. But never mind. It does not matter since this is just a bit delay is acceptable. Okay, it's still waiting here, and then I saw my source panel here, and I need the source code for my development. I want to build a code, and at this moment it is provide the Python, C Sharp. Okay, C Sharp is used. Okay, this is the track model, and Python. And also the low level Q command. For me, I if I using some language that is no SDK, just Q is fine. It's quite straightforward. But for C Sharp, actually, the library for Azure OpenAI should be revised best fix for Microsoft version, and so this is something similar to LangChain. This is strongly type the communication in the different types. I need this one since the next step I need to have a program here. I need to install something and then need the URL here. And maybe I just stop the video for a moment. Let my container to build. Okay, the project start up properly, and then I need the tools for Azure, and I need to Azure Azure tools from Microsoft. Yeah, since I need to use the Azure apps container, I need the tools to help me and just install in code space. Um, maybe I have forget something. I should also install the Azure CLI here as the okay. Never mind. Just try it, and then I think it will ask me to install the CLI here and just load it. Okay, sign into my Azure account, and here you can close it and loading. Oh, failed to refresh the access token. Just retry. Since that is maybe I need to install the CLI. Just wait for a moment. I need to install the Azure CLI again, and then I just click on the keep default config also. Okay, yes, the Azure CLI is this one, but it removed the Python. Undo and just keep the Azure CLI and let the container rebuild code space rebuild container and just wait for the rebuild container again. Okay, it take me nearly 10 minutes to rebuild the container and just redo the extension installation. Azure CLI tools. Okay, just install the previously, and since it should be here, but there's not not seeing here is disabled it. Disable, enable. Something strange. Maybe due to my installation problem. This is Azure CLI, not Azure Tools. Okay, just forget it. That Azure Tools and install in code space. Now before its installation, I want to train the requirement.txt and go to here, and this is Azure OpenAI Studio. I need the source code. Explore. Requirement. Click on the Azure. It should require me to log in again. Select a subscription. It's string. I'm not sure what happened. Reverse token file. Where's that token file at? Sorry, account database. Unknown problem. I uninstall try uninstall and reinstall. Since the first time I run, I don't have the CLI. It may cause me a problem here. Just uninstall it and install the code space again. Installing the tools again. But it's still here. Reset. Click on reset. It's okay. It's the CLI here. I should log in already for the command line version, but the user interface, the tools, I have no idea why it can't help me to select the subscription in under my account. Something unusual happened. It's okay, never mind. Just try to modify the source code first and it's 8-bit string. Here to view the source code, I need to install the Azure OpenAI. Okay, Azure OpenAI and requirement.txt is here. So maybe double check Azure OpenAI Python. I take the tutorial from take the tutorial from Microsoft Standard tutorial. I need to install the P. I don't want to make mistake here. OpenAI here, and I need to have some set up. For fast application, I just need the just copy the code here. Copy it. Oh, but something strange. Since I haven't asked any question, hi. And will the code? It got something similar. And go back to my Visual Studio Code. Just the Hello World application here. And this is the first time I review this application. This is a home, this is a hello, this is a name. Okay, I just hack the code here. Hack the code here to import the OpenAI, and then my key will be injected into environment variable, and the name, I just make use of the name here, and user hi. Okay, we replace name and role assistant called hello well. It should remove the last message, and I have some. It should be just that your assistance, and then you send a message, and then it return something, and the response will be extract. You need to extract the response. Respawn, you need to extract like here. Just I'm ChatGPT 4 Python. This is free. I need to throw and this is in this syntax and then the response will be here. I need this text, the content. It's assumed it's already here. You don't need to worry about it. And I know everything else. It will be the source code. I just need to here will be the response test. Okay, my application should done. And the problem is I need to resolve why my subscription selection is not working here. I need debug. I need debug. I just hold the video again. I pay around for a moment for the subscription. The problem is that one of my Azure account is not workable with the tools. I can't log in so that I am unable to to publish the application. And I just create another visual code and then take a trial to log out and log in, log out and log in, and then I move to another Azure account and it's working now. And no idea what happening. But I know I want to use the Azure Container Apps application, and I disabled a lot of add-on. For example, I need the container apps to enable here, and probably after I enable it, it will something changes in the screen. Okay, I don't have one. Okay, yeah, it's just right. I need to use these tools to deploy my applications, and I have been updated my source code with the updated view, another view here. Here's the Azure portal, and then the Docker file should be work properly. And I just go to follow the guideline from Microsoft Learn to see the this is Azure function, not Azure portal, not container apps. I want to deploy the application, follow the Visual Code guideline. I have the Docker, and I think I need to build it first and just go down and follow the instruction. The Docker add Docker file to workspace have been here, and Docker Explorer. Container apps build image in. Oh, I just tried this one. Azure container which is build image. Control Shift P, and okay, build this image, tag the image. Okay, just default one. Connect to registry. Sure. Shine to Azure. Don't use my Outlook account. And close down. And select the subscriptions. And pick my R&D subscriptions. And create a new registry. So let me show that the Azure open. Okay. Find to find Azure. Let me try Azure Open AI. Already uses Cyrus Azure Open AI. Okay. Yes, just the basic one. Create new resource group. Just pick this one. And just default location US East. Okay, now it's creating the resource group. Create the registry. Okay, need to wait for a moment for container to build it, and I hit this registering bug because my account, I have no idea why my account will not support the Visual Code. Okay, yeah, I need this step, and no, it doesn't ask for me the Linux container or Windows container. It's maybe just understand the image I am using. Okay, oh, I got my registry. up. Okay. Oh, and then deploy. I use the Linux container. Oh, I forget something. I should modify my source code to inject the environment variable. But never mind, just deploy it there first, and then oh, it's okay. Just take the screen here. It seemed to be help me to deploy the application now. Mm, I can maybe I do it manually. I go to my Azure account, Azure portal, sign in to my school account is workable. Okay, pushing the image. I should see the new resource group. Azure OpenAI. Oh, haven't do anything for a moment. It's very keen. Yeah, keen up the account. The registry here. And pushing the image. And okay, refresh. Just hold on. Just hold the video, push the video for a moment. It takes some time. We try 5 seconds. Push the. Okay, the image have been pushed to the registry. And then I deploy the Azure container apps. Okay, I just follow the instruction here. Go to deploy image to container apps. But I mean, I need to double check something first. I should have my source code here. It should be that I need to create an environment variable. Environment variable called Azure OpenAI key, and then I hard coded the code here. And this OpenAI not resources since this is not built here. Okay, yeah. Here's my. I better to copy down this URL. Just copy it. Notepad. I should need to remember my registry. Okay, yes. Go to container apps. Maybe just follow the tutorial. Deploy. Okay, okay, I registry and deploy the image. This one is not working. Just refresh. Container apps here. Okay. And this is the what is the real? This is the Azure container app. Deploy image. I've tried before. Normally I use that platform for everything. So there's a reason why I'm not really familiar with the create container environment. The name is Cyrus OpenAI, and then the default one. Created the container apps. Just take a look my Azure account here. Maybe it will create another resource group. It doesn't ask for me to set up. Just wait for a minute. Okay, my app is created here, and I have the container apps and view properties. Here is the properties and subscription whatever. It's different from the step, create container apps, create container environment, create container apps. Demo. Just email from registry, Azure container registry, OpenAI, admin user reply continue, enable. Just loading. Okay. But the problem, I need to configure the environment variable. It found Docker. Select the first tab. Set environment variable file. Set with environment file. Okay. Problem is here. I got the source code here and environment file. I don't have the environment file. Escape. How about just cancel everything. Deploy the web app. It's kind of similar. But never mind. I think I deploy it first, and then I think we're able to update it. Or just lazy. I hard code the. No. Just one more time. It's not so simple. Demo from registry. My apps. Here. Tagging. I skip now. Enable. External. 18. The boss. This is the port your container listen will receive the traffic. Say the traffic number that container use enter. I didn't track my Docker file. The port you are using listen on the traffic, but this means the no balance maybe. Never mind. Just if it's something wrong, I'll just retry it. I check my Docker file. I haven't reviewed the Docker file. The port number may be different. Okay, try to browse it. If it is not working, I need to fix the port number. But now the OpenAI one. Okay, I done something wrong. Actually, I just click here to open the log stream, and then I go to review the log. I found the module is there's no Flask, and the problem is that here's the Docker file. You need to uncomment this one too, so that it will build a requirement. And then now I need to redo the step to rebuild the container to make sure the deployment again. I need to create a container, update the registry, and redeploy it. And container built in Azure. This one is Linux, and make it rebuild. It looks like it is rebuilding. The schedule run yeah, it's scan download. It should help me to rebuild the container with this last like command. And okay, just wait for a moment. It's found a problem. I can't build it just before. I just do something like that, and then I need to append an X here, otherwise it will not know I have the changes of my file, and otherwise it doesn't build. But now I append an X here, it build again, and very surprising me. It's normally it will calculate the difference of my file, and then it will rebuild automatically. But this is not not follow my expectation. And then now it install the dependency for me, preparing, rating, and then just wait for the build time should be fast in this one, so be not really take time for the layers here is common, but it's copy. Okay, just go to here and then refresh my container registry. Still not see the new image yet. Let's say 5 seconds, 2 seconds. We try. Just stop for a moment. Okay, finally I got my image, and I should refresh here. I should find my new version of found 3x very strange. No idea why it does not build at the beginning. Okay, go back to my console here. I should suppose I can restart version. I can deploy to container apps. Okay, deploy from email registry container, and this one. The latest one have a X. This one. Skip for now. Oh, okay. Deploy the new image. A new version. Go back to my container apps, and here log web space container apps. Refresh. Okay, view detail, degrade. Since I can't start the application previously. Containers, environment variables. It does not have environment variables, so it's even though it's able to load, maybe has still have problem. Oh, but it look like create new version already. Browse it. Open. And don't know what's happening. Just open the log again. Stream the log. I'll see if any error. It looked like something wrong. Still is unable to load the fast module. After a trial, I figured out the solution. Is first of all I need to create my environment file here and just hit the key, and then I have no idea why this enable to update my deployment. I need to go to here, the deployment, my apps, use container registry, and that my image, my container image, and then the tag, and select the environment variable here. The version is updated. Okay, and I need to go to this path, hello. Okay. Bounces and hello, and type in your question to ChatGPT. How are you? Yeah, it's answer me something like that. I am today not human. Oh, anything you can try. Who is virus wrong? But I think it don't know. From Hong Kong. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's work. Oh. A surprise. Is a bit different as it's already know me. I am Microsoft MVP. It's mean that the model have been updated recently. Okay, thank you very much for my demonstration of how to deploy the OpenAI web application from Azure. But I got a lot of problem. For example, I have no idea why my Outlook Azure account would not work, and some of the tools have no idea why is I was saying that. Okay.